My name is Henrik Drake. I'm a professor in environmental science at the Linnaeus University in Kalmar in Sweden. And my specialty is on biosignatures in impact craters. So this seminar will be titled Deep Microbial Colonization During Impact-Generated Hydrothermal Circulation of Impact Structures. And it will be about impact structures on Earth, so terrestrial impact structures, and how to find biosignatures in such structures and try to link it to the impact itself. So trying to link microbial colonization of impact craters to the actual impact. And that is really a tricky issue because you need both to have isotopic signatures for life or morphological signatures, and then also temperature estimates that shows that it is a hydrothermal system. And then you need to have geochronological evidence for it. And tying all that together requires microscale analysis with state-of-the-art instruments. So in a recent study in Lappajärvi in Finland, we have done exactly that. And for the first time, we have been able to tie the impact event itself to microbial colonization. So I will talk a bit about that, and I will talk a bit about other impact craters on Earth and what evidences there are from those. So I hope to see you on February 10th for this lecture. Thank you.